Hello, we were treating about potential step, so we have to continue. In that video, we have discussed what is potential step. We have found Schrodinger equation and its solution, and we have seen what do we mean by reflectance and transmittance, and something classical in quantum view, whose link is given in this discussion also. Now further, actually we have to calculate now current density, as we have discussed in that video. So from that step we are proceeding this one. So reflectance, as we have read, JR by JI, reflected current density, incident current density, and for transmittance this is transmitted current density by incident wave density, current density. Now we will find J. For J we introduce, so introducing current density, this is IH cut upon 2m psi del psi star minus psi star del psi. Okay, so for incidence, that is for Ji, we will calculate one by one for Ji, Jr and Jt. So first J I, which is IH cut upon 2m. So Ji means we know in that first region, what we have plot diagram just like. So first region, second region, this was we know. Here we have taken psi 1, psi 2. So in this region psi 1 will be here, because Ji, that is incident flux. So we will consider psi 1, and we were considering about one dimension. So this was something figured in that video. We are using again here, proceeding. Okay, so we will use psi 1. Psi 1 for x dimension. So deva psi star, this is by deva x minus psi 1 star deva psi upon deva x. This is 1. We know that for psi 1 we have taken psi 1. Actually we are using for incidence, so we will take only incident part. We what we have taken is recalling in short, I kx minus omega t plus b minus I kx plus omega t. This was for incidence and for reflected, as you know in previous video. So we will not use here this one. First we will use the here for Ji, and this will be for J reflected, that is R. And for psi 2 we have I, this is k1 k2x minus omega t. This we will use in Jt. So this will for Ji incidence, for Jr reflected, and for Jt transmittance. Okay, so now getting for J1. Now Ji means for Ji psi 1, taking incidence part only. So a e to the power I kx minus omega t, this is k1. We are treating here only incident part. Okay, so easy one. Now we may use Deva psi this way. This will be a to the power I k1x minus omega t into I k1, and for complex conjugate this is minus I k1x minus I omega t, and differentiating also this one, differentiating this one again, we'll see this is a star minus I k1x minus omega t minus I k1 for this function. Now these values we will put in this equation. Now putting this value, Ji is equal to I h square by 2m psi 1. This is the multiplication of psi 1 in this. So we have here psi 1 and this one we have to multiply it. I think we can do first this one. So A star, that is mod square, this term, and yes, you will see we are using this term and this term. So this is mod square, this part and this part will become e to the power 0, that is 1, and remaining this one. So writing minus I k1, I square minus 1, so plus 1. This means this is h cut we have one more thing. We have used this part, again we have to this one also use minus. Now psi 1 star, psi 1 star is this one, and Deva psi 1 by Deva is this one. So now we will use this part. For this part again you will see this term and this term multiplication will give us 1. So this is again mod a square and this is ik1. We can write mod a square ik1. Now evaluating this one, now I h cut upon 2m minus I, so 2 times mod a square minus of ik1 I square minus 1, so plus 1, to cancel out. What we have, h cut k1 mod a square by m. This is what? This is incident current density. Now as same we will find Jr and Jt. Now same we will find for Jr. So this I for R, and we know that again for reflected part as in figure wave is coming here. So incident part we have calculated Ji. So when it will reflect Jr, this will be in first result, therefore this formula will be same. But what will we change here? We use only reflected part of psi 1. Yes. So now calculation for Jr. Consider psi 1. What will you take now? Obviously b e to the power minus I kx plus omega t. This is what? Reflected part. Now find out psi 1 star deva psi 1 upon deva x and deva psi 1 star upon deva x. We'll find these. For psi 1 star will be b plus, now differentiating this one from here, this will be minus I kx plus omega t and minus this will be k1 minus I k1, and from here this part b I, you may start here for okay, k1x plus omega t I k1. Okay, now putting these value in this equation, what do we get? J R. Again this is I h cut upon 2m psi 1. Psi 1 is this part is psi 1 and this part is in multiplication. So when you will use this term, obviously this will be 1. So what we get? We will get bb star, that is mod b square and I k1. Now minus for this psi 1 star. Now this and this product for this term mod b square. Again this exponential will be 1 and remaining is minus I k1. So this minus and minus will become plus I h cut by 2m. So plus, after plus it will be added, so 2 times of mod b square I k1. Now look, this will cancel out, I square minus 1, so minus h cut k1 by m mod b square. So this is for JR. As same we will calculate JT. Now to calculate JT, we will use again here. So now this is JT, and for transmitted wave we will use second region. In second region we should have psi 2. This all will be psi 2. Okay, so now for JT we will use psi 2 c it is power I k 2x minus omega t, psi 2 star c it is power minus I k 2x minus omega t. Now differentiating, from here this will be c to the power I k 2x minus omega t I k2, and here c star is from here k2x minus omega t and minus I k2. Now these value we will put here. So jt, for jt I h cut upon 2m psi 2, now this term psi 2, and this we have to multiply, exponential will be 1, so mod c square minus I k2 minus, now multiply these twos, so again exponential factor will be 1, this will be mod c square I k2. So this is minus minus, that is minus 2 I h cut upon 2m mod c square I k2, I h square minus 1, so plus 1 cancel out, what is remaining, h cut k2 by m mod c square. So now we have found ji, jr and jt. To find reflectance and transmittance we need this one, but what there is still constant remaining. To remove it we will find the relation between constant using continuity equation. Now to find coefficients relation, that is for ABC, because in JI, JR and JT there is ABC, we have to find relation between ABC. For this we will use continuity equations. What is continuity equation now? Actually we know that the probability density of finding the particle in any small region varies continuously. What we have written particle in a box, you have seen that we draw just like a figure 0 L and this was x. It means that here at each point this different probability, that is probability density variation. It means that psi is continuous at x. As x vary, psi is also varying. It means that psi is continuous at s, is continuous function. So this is first one, and second we know that for a momentum, that is p, psi, momentum operator over psi, this is minus I h cut deva by deva x psi. Now from here linear momentum of particle, this should be also continuous function of psi, continuous function of x, means as x is varying there is also variation in p. So when p is continuous function, it means that derivative of psi is also continuous function of x. So finally psi and deva psi by deva x, that is its derivative, these are continuous function of x. Using this concept we will find relation. Now applying continuity relation, that is a boundary condition, psi 1 x is equal to psi 2x. This is at x is equal to 0, and we know figure na, like this one. So this was a point, a boundary for region first and second. So we are treating here. Also its derivative is also continuous at x is equal to 0. So using these relations, boundary conditions, using property of wave function over x, we will find relation between a, b and c. We have psi 1 a e to the power I kx minus omega t plus b e to the power minus I kx minus omega t, and psi 2 is c e to the power I, this is k1 k2x minus omega t. Now use this relation, first second. So we will use this relation first, and after we will use second, applying this. So x is equal to 0, it means that we will have a e to the power, if this is 0, so only minus I omega t will remain, plus b here, again here will be 0, so plus e to the power I omega t. After is equal to, for this c e to the power I minus I omega t. This is my plus, so that is minus. Now e to the power minus I omega t common, cancel out. So we will have a plus b is equal to c, this relation as well. Now using this relation, find a differentiation of psi 1 and psi 2 at x is equal to 0. Now for differentiate this part, what we get, a power I k1x minus omega t I k1 plus b minus k1x plus omega t minus I k1 is equal to c power I k2x minus omega t I k2. Okay, so this is what deva psi 1 upon deva x, this is deva psi upon deva psi 2 upon deva x. Now for x is equal to 0, for x is equal to 0, we will have a e to the power, this is I minus I k1, here b minus, this is minus I k1, for this is c minus I omega t I k2. Now I will be cancelled out, and for minus I omega t also, what we have now, we have k1, take k1 common, a minus b is equal to c k2. Now Using this relation and this relation, we will find C and B in terms of A. Now find out from here value of C, A plus B. So put here A plus B, K2, A minus B, by A plus B is equal to K2 by K1. Applying component to dividend rule here, so plus, if you will plus, we will get 2A for addition, 2A, and here you will get A minus B minus A minus A minus B. Once more, treat as A plus B upon A minus B is equal to K1 by K2. Now apply component to dividend rule. So this will be K1 plus K2 and K1 minus K2, where this is for plus, you will get 2 times of A and value will be minus A plus B minus A plus B, so we will get 2B. 2 to cancel out. Find out from here B by A square, stick mode square. This will be K1 minus K2 upon K1 plus K2 square. Okay, so we have now relation for B and A, as same for C and A. For this, again use relation. So here we can put value of B. So now from here again K1 A minus C minus A, so this will become C plus A, C K2. This is what 2 times of A, K1 2A, K1C shift there, so C K1 plus K2. This means that mod C by A square, we will get 4 K1 square upon K1 plus K2 square. Now using this relation and what we have find JI, JR and JT, we will use now we are going to find R and T. Now we have to calculate R, which is J R by Ji, and T, this is Jt upon Ji. This is quantum mechanical reflection coefficient, quantum mechanical transmission coefficient, the ratio of reflected and incident beams, and this is ratio of transmitted and incident waves. Now we have calculated Ji h cut by m K1 mod A square, JR minus h cut by m k1 mod b square jt h cut by m k2 mod c square. This we have calculated. Also we have found relation between BA, that is B by A square. We have found this one, K1 minus K2 by K1 plus K2 square, and mod C by A square 4 K1 square upon K1 plus K2 square. So up to these we have found out. Now using this relation we will find reflectance and transmission coefficients. So this is our final stage. Find out R. This is JR by JI. JR by JI. This will be mod. So what is remaining? Remaining is from here minus h cut by m k1 mod b square by h cut by m k1 mod a square. This is taking mod. This will cancel out. What we have? We have mod b square upon mod a square, which is this one, k1 minus k2 by k1 plus k2 square. This is R. And now for T, transmission coefficient, JT by JI. For JT by JI, h cut by m k2 mod c square by h cut by m k1 mod a square. Again cancel out. Taking mod, no problem. C by a square, and we have calculated this one, 4 k1 square upon k1 plus k2 square. So this is what T, and this is what R. And this is k2 by k1. Now according to definition, R plus T should be 1. So now let us check. For this, this is k2 by k1 also. I put k2 by k1. So k1, this is cancel out. So finally we will have 4 k1 k2 upon k1 plus k2 square. Okay. Now here check for R plus T. K1 minus K2 upon K1 plus K2 square plus T also 4 K1 K2 upon K1 plus K2 square. Okay. Now you may add this one. Exactly, we will find in numerator there is k1 plus k2 square, because k1 square plus k2 square, and after this plus 2k1 2k1 k2. So this using factorization, which is 1. Thus R plus T is equal to 1. This means that our relation is correct. Now further, what is important to notice here, in case of classical mechanics, when particle is recalling figure is potential, in case of particle when higher energy than this energy E, when E greater than V naught, particle will transmit in second region, there will be no reflectance. But according to quantum mechanical view, this is not the case. Due to wave nature of this particle, there will be reflectance as well as transmittance as well. So this is what we differentiate. Moreover, let capital K, K2 by K1. So R will be 1 minus K upon 1 plus K square, and T, this is R after this one, from here 1 plus K2 by K1, so K1 is square, K1 cancels, that is K2 by K1 upon 1 plus K2 by K1 square. So we can write 4K upon 1 plus K square. Why we have introduced this one? Just evaluate from here K2 by K1. What is K2 by K1? Again recalling, K2 was under root 2m E minus V naught upon H cut, and K1 under root 2m E upon H cut. So now dividing, K2 by K1, H cut will be cancelled out. We will get under root E minus V naught by E, or we can write under root 1 minus V naught by E. Why we have introduced, just listen carefully. For E, when E will be greater, E will be greater, and this term will be lesser, and then this will be more. So if we reach up to A greater than, this is much greater than we know, what is condition now? For this, the value of K will be 1, and when value of K is 1, it means that we will get here reflectance 0, whereas transmittance 1, because R plus T is equal to 1. Okay. One more thing, when E will be lesser, if E will be lesser, then this K will be higher. When K will be higher, this is capital K, and K will be higher, then T will be smaller. So if E is much less, then T may be considerably, T will be 0. There will be only R is equal to 1. So this is what we want to discuss what is the energy of particle and in which region this particle is traveling, what is energy in that region. So there will be reflectance, transmittance, what will be variation we have discussed in potential state, and also we have differentiate between classical point of view and quantum point of view. Thank you.